What if the next terror attack doesn't come with a blast, but spreads silently through the water you drink? It's not fiction, this is a real threat. A group busted by Gujarat ATS was allegedly plotting to use ricin. It's a lethal chemical toxin to contaminate public water and cause mass poisoning. This is what experts call as biochemical warfare. Biochemical warfare means using biological or chemical agents like viruses, bacteria or toxins to kill or incapacitate humans, animals or crops. It's not about explosions, it's about invisible death spread through air, water or food. Ricin falls in the chemical toxin category, a poison that attacks your cell from within. And here's how it works. Ricin is extracted from the castor bean plant, the same plant used to make everyday castor oil. But once the oil is removed, the leftover seed mash can be turned into a deadly poison. Just a few milligrams, barely the size of a pinhead, can block your body's ability to make proteins. Organs start to fail, death follows within hours, and there's no antidote. According to the ATS, the suspects had links to ISIS-Khorasan and were allegedly receiving instructions from Abu Khadija, a handler in Afghanistan. Weapons, including imported pistols and cartridges, were recovered. A doctor trained in science using that knowledge to weaponize a household plant. That's what makes this case even more chilling. It's been used before too. In 2013, America witnessed one of its most alarming bio-threats. Several ricin-laced letters were discovered, one even addressed to President Barack Obama. Investigations revealed that a woman named Shannon Richardson had mailed those poison letters to the president. She was sentenced to 18 years in prison, while another man, James Dushé, was also convicted in a separate ricin case. It showed how a simple envelope could trigger national panic. No bomb, no gun, just a few grains of deadly toxin. And in 2020, a woman from Canada mailed an actual ricin poison letter to the White House. The FBI intercepted it in time. She was later sentenced to more than 20 years in jail. Investigators say the suspects had surveyed Ahmedabad's fruit market and Delhi's Azadpur Mandi as part of an alleged plot involving ricin. The toxin can cause vomiting, diarrhea and several breathing issues, often before doctors can diagnose it. And because ricin is tasteless and odorless, detecting it in everyday settings is extremely difficult. The Gujarat ATS, working with central agencies, seized chemicals, castor oil and imported weapons. Digital evidence is now being analyzed to see how far the ricin extraction had progressed. From guns to gases and now to toxins and microbes. Because biochemical warfare doesn't need an army, just knowledge, access and intent. The most dangerous weapon may not explode, it may simply spread. And for every citizen, vigilance is the antidote we do have.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.